Hi and welcome to the SatonmyButt channel for the review of the Golden Beards Big Sur Beard Balm. This was sent to me as part of a beard starter kit that you can see there that contained an oil in the Big Sur and the balm, a shampoo and conditioner and a little beard brush. Very nice kit indeed, and I will post a kit review once I've reviewed them all separately. Now then, the Big Sur Beard Balm is a blend of cocoa butter, shea butter, apricot oil, beeswax, jojoba oil, argan oil and some vitamin E, and it is produced, I suppose, no surprise, it's Golden Beards, a very golden coloured medium consistency beard balm that, I tell you what, whilst using also their shampoo and conditioner and this balm, my beard feels really soft. It feels so good. It's one of them when you sit there going, it feels so, I can't stop touching my beard. And it's given it a nice little bit of hold. I am very, very happy with this blend. What a lovely, lovely beard balm it is. Now then, the Big Sur scent, you won't find it if you look at the beard balm page, but go and look at the Big Sur beard oil and you'll see it is lavender, patchouli and lime. And I love all of those essential oils, and it's a very nice blend. But, he says, but, there always has to be a but, doesn't there, with him? Memory plays a massive part in scent. We smell something and our brain goes, oh, all the time it happens. For me, it's going, it smells a little bit antiseptic. And I'm like, stop it. No, it doesn't. It's lavender, patchouli and lime. I almost thought there'd be a bit of pine in there. But I'm just getting that from it, and it's blended very nicely, but it's a scent that I'm not quite getting on with. And so I'm going to give this a 95 out of 100, just because of my personal preference on scent. You know, I'm not going to be too harsh, because, you know, I'm sure others absolutely adore this. 30ml will cost you £11, 60ml will cost you £16, so a very, very well priced product from goldenbeards.com. Go and check them out. Now, he holds his hands up. I thought when I got this and I saw the beard kit, this looks a bit commercially mass made. I don't know, it's, you know, and I'm not afraid to hold my hands up when I'm wrong. Very nice products, all natural, beautiful products, but it's just when I got it, I thought, is this one of those? But it's not, there's none of the plastic thrown in that you get a lot with them moulded in. Very nicely done indeed. A lovely beard balm. Go and check them out, goldenbeards.com. I am going to stop waffling now. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, please. I'll see you next time. Take care.